Hi guys, welcome back to the building part. So we saw all the tools I would use to build, so we're going to use them today for the build. So for this build I'm going to use the Genius 215 frame and of course the screwdriver box from eFun we saw before. So let's open it and see which screw is fitting the best. So let's take the screwdriver out, install it. Very easy as we saw before. And for this one we're going to use the X screw 2.0, which fits to this build. So now the screwdriver is finished and ready to start the build. So let's start with that. First we take the down part, we put one of the feet, put the upper part, and to put them together we will put the screw through. So make sure you find the right place for the holes. So we're gonna go through. This one we're gonna set through. And close it by using this little hook. Don't put it too tight in the first place. Okay, to speed up, I will go on and do the other 4 feet. Okay. That's the first part. So at this place later we will install our PDB. So I can show you already how it will look like. So that will be installed by this way. Of course, first we will later solder the PDB, so for now I will take it off and later put it back when it's ready for soldering. Let's now first go on to put the top. So let's install these parts here. So we're going to use some smaller screws. And just screw them in. Okay, so that's the base of our build. Later we will install this part on the top. But let's first go on with installing the motors on the arms. So for this build we have these motors, very nice Raystar BR2306S motors, which are very strong and very nice for this build. So let's open them and see what we can find inside this box. So of course we have 4 of them. Here we can see the motor, wires, and the screws to install them to the arms. And later, of course, we're going to install our ESC on the arms also. But let's first install all the 4 motors. So if you do this, please be careful that you make sure that the wires are in the side of the arm, which will be much more easy later to solder to the flight controller and the ESCs. So you can a little bit make them tight with your hand already. It's also easy to control afterwards. Sometimes you need to put it right to find the right place to turn it in. Okay, and once you put it, of course you can use a screwdriver to make it more tight. Actually, I see for this one. So once you finish turning them, we will use again the screwdriver to get them tight, but we have to need another head for that one. So we're going to take this one at 2.01. So easy to take off this one, back, and we're going to install 2.01. It's important, of course, that your motors are well installed, because here's where all the power comes from. Okay, so that's the first one. So let me quickly do the other ones and then come back to you. So guys, here it is. We installed all the motors on the arms, as you can see. So that was a very easy to do, of course, with the tools. They're very strongly installed on it. Okay guys, so we used some tools today, which I showed before. I don't want to use everything already today. I'm gonna make a new video later. So now we came till cutting the wires, putting the motors, making the frame. In the next episode, we're gonna make the soldering. We're gonna put the ESCs, the flight controller, the PDB. So that's in the next episode, so stay tuned to the Banggood channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.